For my week project, I have technological mediations because I use apps such as YouTube, Spotify, and online article. So my first theory is sociocultural theory, and the second is cognitive approach theory. When I watch, listen, or read, I pay attention to the language and I do noticing. When I find a new words or expressions, I write it and I search about the meaning. Then I try to use new words, new expressions in my daily conversation. My personality. INFJ is love to make a task list, is being a deep person, so I'm a skeptic learner. To understand something, I do self-talk. I talk to myself like there is two persons inside me. It always happens to me, and I do this for two reasons. The first is really natural, and the second one is because I'm practicing to understand something. So, my learning strategies is metacognitive strategies. I think I have two personalities inside me. As a person, I am an INFJ, but as a learner, I am an INTJ. As I said earlier, I'm a strong thinker of why. I am a skeptic learner, and I always want to answer one big questions in my head about why. Because I want to know why something is the way, and I am willing to go deep to find them. I'm also kinesthetic tactile. Hold a pen or a ballpoint, and I start writing. Or I just think about the why. Then I take time to process the idea, the topic in my head until I figure it out, then I go home and I talk to myself, then yeah, I understand the topic. As a future teacher, I will focus on how learners process information in their minds, which means cognitive approach theory. In my daily teachings, I want to bring at least one cognitive step into the lesson. I want my students to do noticing. I want them to notice words or language features, like, for example, students may ask, Miss, why it's go, but then it becomes gonna? And inspired from you, Miss, I want to have a small mini session after class. In the sessions, I want to use a full cognitive process. First, students do a listening activity using sound, so they have attention. After that, we do a noticing sessions, such as noticing new words and language features through the song. Then, we practice by repeating the song together. And for memory, after noticing the new words, we repeat the words 3 times together.